Hi everybody, this is Frank Cuccio, Customer Success Manager at BrainCell, and today I'm going to show you how to add a report dashlet to the account record dashboard. And what this will do is allow you to build a report one time and put it on the account record dashboard so that it filters just to the account in question. So in this example, I'm going to show a report that primarily would be for SugarServe customers, but it's going to be cases by type. So usually when somebody submits a case, you'll have a field that's the case type. So it could be admin, product, user as an example. And when you build this report, it's going to have a pie chart that shows you the number of each of these types of cases. And then by putting it on the account record dashboard and relating it to the related account, it'll filter to the account in question. So if that doesn't make sense, just follow along, and hopefully afterwards you'll see why this is important. So the first thing we're going to want to do is build a report. So we're going to go to the Report tab and click Create Report. And we will do a summation report with details. And we're going to select as the module cases. So for this report, I'm actually not going to put any filters on because the filter is going to happen at the Dashlet level when we relate it to the account. So I'm going to skip that and do define group by, and we're just going to do something very simple, just the type. So it's just going to be one group. And then we'll do choose display summaries. So we want it to be showing, as a summary, the type, and then we want the count, so the number of cases or tickets, in each category. We'll hit next and do display column or display summaries, and we'll just do the same ones. So type and count. Or no, actually, we'll just do type. Chart options, I want to do a pie chart. I just like the way that looks with this sort of data. And the report name, we're going to call it cases by type account record dashlet. So we'll do save and run. And right now you'll see this. This is all the data in my demo instance broken up by case type. So this is not specific to account. But what we'll do now is visit a single account record so that we can modify the dashboard itself. So once you modify it on this record in the dashboard, it's going to be on every account record because it's in the dashboard itself. So let me move myself out of the way. And we're going to click on this blue button in the corner and click Add Dashlet. And we're going to scroll down to Report Dashlet. So you want to select the report, and we call it cases by type, account record dashlet. Have it refresh, every 15 minutes. And then the most important thing is this button, related to current records. So this is where it's going to filter it to that specific account that you're viewing. And the link field is going to be cases. So it's saying, all right, we're on this account record. We want to see all the cases that are related to this account. And then it's going to format it into the chart. So we'll do a pie chart. We'll show totals, show the legend. This doesn't really matter. Show total record count. Cool. It doesn't have a filter, so we're just going to hit save. And it'll show up at the bottom of the screen. So cases by type, account record dashlet. So we see admin has 8 cases, product has 7, and user has 2. So it gives you a nice snapshot, specific to that account. We can do this with opportunities. Anything that you can relate an account to, you can do a Dashlet chart just the same way. So I'm going to go back to accounts and just show you, how it appears on a different account record. So let's do, I guess, Smith & Sons. hopefully they have some cases open. We'll scroll down to the bottom, and yeah, they have 7 cases. Admin has 3, product has 2, and user has 2. Now this functionality became available in Sugar 12.2, version 12.2. So at this point, everybody should have that. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or your CSM, and we'll give you a little tutorial on how to get this done. All right, have a great day.